Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sugandha Sharma and I'm sure from last 1 year, all you have been hearing about is AI, probably more than a year. Every time you open your TV, you watch news, it's about AI. You read an article online, it's about AI. There are so many things about AI. Its advantages, its use in different technologies, its risks associated, and if it is truly reliable or not. Well, today's video is on the same concept. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze artificial intelligence in very simple terms. And we are going to understand if it is truly reliable or not. In this video, we will understand what is AI, what are blockchains, how AI and blockchains are changing the future and Polyhedra's role, what is Polyhedra and ZKML. We'll also understand about zero knowledge proofs explained in simple terms, and even if you are a beginner, don't worry, I got you covered. So it's a very fun educational video. Now let's start with what is AI. AI, that is artificial intelligence, stands for machine that can think, learn and make decisions just like humans. Examples include chatbots, self-driving cars and facial recognition apps. AI relies on algorithms and large amount of data to improve over time. AI is already there in our lives, everything from medical field to engineering to technology to industries, and everything that we use in our every day-to-day life is AI. So it's not something that is accessible only to people who use high-tech gadgets in their every day-to-day life. It is something that you and I, normal people like us, are also using. Now, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records different types of data securely and transparently. This can include transaction data, smart contract data, asset records and identity or credentials, and much more. Instead of being stored in one centralized place like a bank, blockchain data is stored across many computers called nodes. Key benefits: security, transparency, and immutability. That is, that data can't be altered. Now, how AI and blockchains work together? AI processes and analyzes massive amount of data while blockchain ensures secure, verifiable and transparent data sharing and decentralized resource allocation. Blockchain technology provides many advantages for developers building AI solutions: access to long tail data, inexpensive computer resources, and a way of automated agents to interact with monetary instruments via cryptocurrency wallets are a few of the benefits blockchain-based AI applications benefit from. When used in tandem, AI and blockchain technology can enhance security, privacy, and automation in industries like finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. Now, very important, what is Polyhedra and ZKML? Well, Polyhedra is a revolutionary blockchain research and infrastructure company that combines AI and blockchain technology to improve security, scalability, and privacy. Their newest products, Zero Knowledge Machine Learning, ZKML, and EXP Chain, set out to solve a problem that has plagued the AI industry since its inception, proving that AI generated outputs are unmanipulated, reliable, and verifiable. Due to the black box nature of AI, users are often forced to accept the outputs with little recourse when they suspect something is off. Polyhedra's ZKML technology generates an unforgeable proof along with the AI output that can be used to validate the expected model was executed. Nothing went wrong during the execution, and there was no malicious activity that could compromise the AI output. These proofs can be verified quickly, cheaply, and trustlessly on EXP chain, adding transparency and trust to an industry significantly lacking in both. To harness its full potential, every AI decision needs to be transparent and verifiable. Polyhedra is creating the foundation for accountability and trust, building the future of intelligence. Well, I'm sure whatever you learned in this video was extremely helpful for you, since AI is something all of us use in our day-to-day life. The important links which might help you further regarding Polyhedra will be given in the description of this video. Don't forget to check it out. If you have any doubts related to this video, then you can ask me in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video. And again, if you have any doubts, don't forget to ask me in the comment section.